In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp live location not updating problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now find out WhatsApp, search WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on Force Stop, then OK, then tap on Storage and Cache, clear cache, go back, then tap on Permission. Now make sure you enable location permission, tap on it, then tap on it. Allow only while using the app, tap on it, go back. Now swipe down notification panel, find out location, then enable it. Now open your Heartset. I tried to send location share on. No, I hope that this method fix WhatsApp location live update for the hopping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.